How to play Bingo Blitz Powerups. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to play the game using the power-ups, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, here you can find the lightning icon at the top. Now simply tap on it right here. Then here you can find the power-ups right here. Now, to get the power-up or use it, simply tap onto one of these. To use it, purchase the power-ups or the boost by using the gems right here. Now simply tap onto one and buy it. For now you can see I have 0 gems right here. Now that's why I cannot purchase it. If you got the gems, you can simply purchase it. Now purchase the power up and you can simply choose that power up and you can play the Bingo Blitz game and the power up will be used into that game. And that's it. This is how you can play Bingo Blitz power ups. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.